Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we're driving southeast on Wailers Avenue towards Rita Path Way in Cooreville Gardens, Kingston 20, St. Andrew Parish. The community of Cooreville Gardens, located off Washington Boulevard, was named for David Coore, Jamaica's Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Finance in the 1970s. Turning off Wailers Avenue onto Rita Path Way. Also, the streets of Cooreville Gardens are named after famous Jamaican artists in recognition of their contribution in music and the theatre, and Rita Path Way is named after Alfarita Marley, popularly Rita Marley. Rita Path Way ends. Alfarita Marley OJ, OD, née Anderson, born the 25th of July 1946, is a Cuban-born Jamaican singer, songwriter, and entrepreneur. She is the widow of reggae legend Bob Marley. Along with Marcia Griffiths and Judy Mowatt, she was a member of the reggae vocal group the I-Trees, the backing vocalist for Bob Marley and the Wailers. We are back on Wailers Avenue. Rita was born in Santiago de Cuba to Leroy Anderson and Cynthia Jarrett. Her parents moved to Kingston, Jamaica when she was 3 months old. In her memoir, No Woman No Cry, My Life with Bob Marley, she describes how she was raised by her aunt, Viola, after her parents separated. She was raised in Trenchtown in Kingston, Jamaica. She studied as a nurse and sang in church, and before long was in a vocal group. It was through that group that she met Bob Marley. To learn more about Rita Marley, please check the video description. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.